If you want to set up the focus mode on Google Pixel 10, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we can scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Afterwards, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the focus option. Over here we can choose apps that are distracting that should not be available when the focus mode is enabled. So let's say I'm gonna disable the camera, the Photos app, and the Files app, just as an example. Now over here at the top, we can create a schedule for the focus mode, so you can choose when the focus mode should begin and when it should end. You can also choose days of the week during which the focus mode should be activated automatically. Besides that, you can also manually enable and disable the focus mode just by tapping over here on the turn on now and turn off now if you want to disable it. You can also take a short break and after a couple of minutes, of course, the focus mode will be back enabled again until it is either manually disabled or when the schedule is done. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.